The Supreme Court's recent decision has temporarily halted the Trump administration's efforts to reshape the federal workforce, specifically concerning immigration judges. This decision could hold significant consequences for a broad range of federal employees, as it addresses the limits of presidential power in employment matters. At the heart of this case is whether immigration judges, who fall under the federal employment system, can legally contest a policy that restricts their public speech. The question is whether such disputes should be addressed through the federal court system or an internal federal workforce complaint mechanism. The Trump administration sought intervention from the Supreme Court after an appeals court expressed concerns regarding the president's authority in dismissing senior officials involved in handling complaints, questioning the impact of these actions on the complaint system's integrity. The Justice Department argued that these dismissals fall within presidential prerogative, urging the Supreme Court to suspend the appeals court's ruling. However, the Supreme Court decided against immediate intervention, although it left the door open for the administration to return if the lower courts proceed hastily. The justices are also considering whether to extend the president's authority to dismiss independent agency officials, potentially overturning protections established nearly a century ago. In 2020, a union that once represented immigration judges challenged a policy limiting their public discourse, framing it as a free speech issue suitable for federal court examination. This legal battle gained momentum as the Trump administration recently dismissed numerous judges deemed lenient by its supporters. Though the Supreme Court's decision is not conclusive, its implications could extend to other federal employees seeking to contest dismissals outside the internal complaint process, particularly as it is now heavily influenced by Trump appointees. This ruling follows a series of favorable outcomes for the Justice Department under the Supreme Court's emergency docket, where the court has consistently supported the Trump administration on diverse topics ranging from immigration policies to federal funding issues.